to my channel Crypto Anya. It's Anya here, and today we are diving into another crypto project that getting some attention in the meme and also in the Giggle Panda ticker symbol Giggle. I will share all the detail. We will check out their official website, their tokenomics, their CoinGecko data, and even on their DEX screener link, so you know where you want to verify everything by yourself. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all, so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review. Just remember that this is not a financial advice. I am not a sponsored by Giggle Panda. This video is for educational purpose and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. So first, why exactly is Giggle Panda? According to that, Giggle Panda called itself the first social and play ecosystem that turns your smiles into the value. The idea is simple. You can play mobile and based mini games, join their community activities or share content, and in return you will get Giggle tokens from them. So you can see there is the option that how you can buy it, their deck screener, their white paper. I will share all that in front of the video, but now I want to share with you the website Giggle Panda. You can see it is on Binance Smart Chain. It's built on Binance Smart Chain, meaning fast and low cost transaction, and target the fun side of crypto things, meme gaming and community participation, and roll into up. So what is Google? You can see Giggle Panda here. So you can see you can find several key sections: ecosystem and features, NFT marketplace, Giggle Academy, and you can see there are three model on which they are going to work on. The first of all they have here is to you can enjoy mini games on mobile and web platforms while you will get a dollar Giggle tokens. Gaming has never been this rewarding. So you can also get their tokens by complete community tasks, share contents, and engage with the others to earn that reward. Or you can see the social. So you can, even though through their Giggle Academy a portion of profit goes to the social responsibility projects. Their core features are their ecosystem and their gaming like web-based mini games, and also their NFT marketplace, buy and sell Giggle Panda characters. They have the rewards, Giggle Academy social impact projects funded by token revenue. They have the low fees on Binance Smart Chain. Social, you can see transaction minimal gas fees on Binance Smart Chain. You can see there it is community driven. This design is a clean, cartoon, clearly learning into the fun meme identity, and team promotes positive and community engagement. The tokenomics, furthermore, you can see it here. Now let's look at the numbers from the tokenomics section. From the total supply, 80% is for their community. Their total supply is 1 billion. From that, 80% for the community and 20% for their liquidity pool. You can see it here. So now I will further go. Their name is Giggle Panda, ticker is Giggle, network is Binance Smart Chain, and the contract address is given. You can copy it. You can verify this on the BSC scan. I will open it on the BSC scan. You can see you can even though verify that from here. So furthermore, if I go here, it is totally given here. Their total supply 1 billion. You can go for the revenue stream in game, advertisement, partnership, Google Academy, NFT 2 to 5% fees, and also for the platform fees. They have given here the all the detail. The website say the goal is to reward the community while ensuring liquidity and ongoing development. So first of all, you can see the roadmap which show their basically things that what is going on here. The roadmap on the website shows several phases like function and launch, game and NFT release, and launching pools, expanding market and listing, and also growing the Giggle Academy community programs. You can see it is in that program. Product development, where they will go for the coin market cap and the CoinGecko listing. Furthermore, upcoming is their NFT marketplace launch, NFT collection, staking, all that. You can see they have the live charts from here. You can see the transparency on that. You can see now let's move to the market data, all publicly available on CoinGecko. You can see it here. I share with you the CoinGecko thing which is going on. The price is given here 0.00014449. You can see the market approximately have given 143k USD, 24-hour volume roughly, and you can see current circulation supply is 1 billion Giggle. You can see main trading on it. So furthermore, I want to share with you the other details. You can even go and buy it on the like PancakeSwap, and also buy the Binance wallet, and also buy the CoinGecko, which I already shared with you. That's mean it's before buying, always check its liquidity and logged on PancakeSwap. Are the contracts audited and verified on Binance? You can see scan BSC scan has the team being docs or the community and on. So it's all that which I already shared. So do your own research too before going on it. So furthermore, I want to share with you about their, you can see deck screen. So you can see their deck screen that it is going up the price, their liquidity which is 48k, their FDV, their market cap, all that is given here. So you can also go and check it out on their white paper, their details, their transparency, their roadmap, all the thing is given. Giggle Panda is clearly leaning into the fun positive vibe meme coin angle. The branding is catchy, however it's still in the early stage, and you can see if you like meme coin and community driven project, it could be the fun to follow, but make sure to verify every link, contract and announcement yourself too. So if I go here, they have their social media accounts. You can even go and join them on their social media, like their white paper. Google Panda, Giggle Panda is now live on CoinGecko. You can even go and you can join them on the Telegram. I share all their details, their BSC scan and all that. That's it for today review of Giggle Panda. If you enjoy this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification, because I will be covering more projects like meme coins soon. Drop a comment below. What do you think about the Giggle Panda? Could it become the next viral meme coin, or it's just for fun? Thanks for watching. Stay safe, do your research, and I will see you in the next one.